this, right?
No. Doesn't need sound.
Oh no!
This story is expressed through pictures and images.
Oh no, but there's a YouTube. You've been seeing the YouTube clip?
No. This is enough for me.
Oh no, the hilarious part.
This is a work of art. It doesn't need sound. It expresses every emotion you need to feel.
Based off of a YouTube clip where she actually yells like.
Bees?
Yes.
I think it's more awesome when.
Bees!
Oh my god, bees! I can't handle the bees! Bees! Yes, bees! Bees! This is going on the internet. Oh my god! I can't handle the bees! Bees!
Goddamn video. Since I laughed until I cried.
Bees! Oh my god, I'm so excited! Bees!
We don't need Oprah's voice doing it. We have Andrew.
Bees! I haven't seen the video. Oh my god, I'm so excited! You need to cut me off.
Yes, we need to cut you off, please. Right now we have 3 minutes of this. It's only 11 o'clock at night. He's all.
Does it so well. He's watching this video.
I empathize with the characters.
I can tell you do them very well.
I need to tell them. Oh my god! Oh my god! I feel like Oprah. I feel like I could invite my friends over and open a giant box of bees. And they'd be like, bees everywhere. And some friends would be like shocked. And some would be crying. And most of them would be like, oh, Andrew.
Yeah, that sounds accurate.
You might have to turn this off.
Might? I think somebody else needs to do it for him. I don't think he's strong enough. The force is not strong with this one.